Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our kitchen where we turn healthy eating into a delicious adventure. Got a sweet tooth but trying to keep it healthy? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing a guilt-free cake recipe that's absolutely delicious. No sugar, no butter. Yes, you heard that right. Sounds too good to be true? Trust me, it's not. This cake is not only healthy but also incredibly tasty. Stick around and I'll show you how to make it from scratch. You won't believe how easy it is. First up, let's talk ingredients. You're going to need a few simple, wholesome items. 1 cup of unsweetened applesauce. This will add natural sweetness and moisture to our cake. 1 cup of whole wheat flour. It's a healthier alternative to refined flour and adds a nice texture. 2 eggs, which will help bind everything together. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This will give our cake a lovely aroma and flavor. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. It helps the cake rise and become fluffy. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This works alongside the baking soda to give our cake the perfect lift. A pinch of salt. It enhances all the other flavors. Half a cup of Greek yogurt. This adds creaminess and a slight tang, making the cake moist and rich. A 1/4 cup of honey or maple syrup. These natural sweeteners are much better for you than refined sugar. Your favorite fruits or nuts for topping. These will add extra flavor, texture, and nutrition. Alright, let's get baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the perfect temperature to bake our cake evenly. Grab a mixing bowl and combine the applesauce, eggs, vanilla extract, Greek yogurt, and honey. Make sure everything is at room temperature for the best results. Give it a good mix until everything is well blended. You want a smooth, consistent mixture. Now, in another bowl, sift together the whole wheat flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Sifting helps to aerate the flour and remove any lumps. Add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture gradually, stirring until you have a smooth batter. Take your time to ensure everything is well incorporated. It should look and smell amazing already. The combination of vanilla and honey is simply irresistible. Time to prep your baking pan. This step is crucial to ensure your cake doesn't stick. Lightly grease it with a bit of coconut oil or line it with parchment paper. Both methods work well. Pour the batter into the pan and spread it out evenly. Make sure it's level for even baking. Now here comes the fun part. Topping it with your favorite fruits or nuts. This is where you can get creative and make the cake your own. I love adding some blueberries and chopped walnuts, but feel free to get creative. You can use strawberries, almonds, or even dark chocolate chips. Pop it in the preheated oven and let it bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. Keep an eye on it as ovens can vary. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. This is a foolproof way to check for doneness. The kitchen should be filled with a heavenly aroma by now. There's nothing like the smell of freshly baked cake. Let the cake cool for a bit before slicing it up. This helps it set and makes it easier to cut. And there you have it, a delicious, healthy cake with no sugar and no butter. It's perfect for any occasion. Perfect for when you want to indulge without the guilt. Enjoy it as a dessert, snack, or even breakfast. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. With recipes like this, you can enjoy your favorite treats in a healthier way. It's all about finding the right balance and making smart choices. You can have your cake and eat it too. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit the like button and subscribe for more healthy and tasty recipes. We have plenty more delicious ideas coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy baking. See you next time with another exciting recipe.